DeepSeek AI has already been conquering a lot of users, but now another Chinese company, which is world famous, called Alibaba, has launched a new model called Qwen 2.5 Max, and it claims to be better than DeepSeek's model. So in this video, we will be seeing how to use this. So first, if you just Google Alibaba Qwen 2.5, you'll be having this link from qwenlm.github. If you open this, they'll be having like an explanation about this model, how they use and the performance, and they have put up a interesting image over here. So the red color thing is the Qwen 2.5 Max, and the purple one is DeepSeek v3, and we are having the chatgpt 4o, Llama as well as Claude. And here you can see the Qwen model has performed better than DeepSeek v3 in live code bench and stuff. So that's really amazing. Here also another math problems and other evaluations and benchmark. So this model has only claimed to be better than DeepSeek v3 and ChatGPT's 4o model. It has not claimed to be better than DeepSeek's R1 and OpenAI's O1 model. Alright. So now let's see how we can use this online. So for that, just Google Alibaba Qwen 2.5 GitHub. So you'll be having their GitHub link. Click this, and this is the GitHub page. If you want to download the model locally, you can do this. And here, if you scroll down, we'll be having the hugging face of that particular Qwen 2.5, and you're also having this Qwen chat. If you want to see the paper and documentation and stuff, you can do this. I'll just open the Qwen chat. So this is going to be their hugging face space over here. They have the other models demo, but we are interested in Qwen 2.5 Max. So here you need to make sure that you are signing in. Only after signing in you will be able to use their all the features. And to the top you are having the model change, quite similar to ChatGPT's interface. So these are the models that they are currently having, and Qwen 2.5 Max, as it clearly says, the most powerful language model in the Qwen series, the exact same model that we saw here, Qwen 2.5 Max. And another surprising thing that I saw here is that they are having image generation, video generation also, and web search. Web search is coming soon. So they literally do everything. This literally does everything. Imagine OpenAI Sora integrated inside ChatGPT. So that's insane. So first let's go and try the video generation, alright, because I'm so curious about it. So these are some of the samples. This looks like super high quality, and let me just go and give a prompt. And this is going to be my prompt: car going in high speed in a beach. And here we're also having the option to change the aspect ratio. I will just go with 16:9 and send it. Okay, I've got an error message over here. Like, I guess more people are using it. And finally I got the video output. That literally took a lot of time, to be honest, more than 20 minutes. I guess that's because a lot of people are trying this application. So let's just see the video. And the video quality looks so amazing, to be honest. This is in par with Sora. Like, to be honest, the speed at which the car is going, you can see, right, the background as well as the road is not clearly visible. It's showing us this car is moving at a particular speed. We can see the impact of that car's speed. Fine, let's go with the image one. And yeah, they are also able to generate really great images from the sample. Just look at these images. They look super high quality, especially this image. This image kind of looks like flex the quality from that image. And here also same thing, you're having the aspect ratio. So that's not bad, to be honest. Car going in high speed in a beach, and I really like how the sand is going. This is not bad. This is not the best, to be honest. And if you're getting error, just try clicking on this regenerate multiple times and you will be getting the output. So now let's try something using coding, because this artifacts thing, right, it says no HTML, CSS or JavaScript content found. I think it's a running interface for HTML and CSS. So let me just go and ask it to create a simple login screen. So this is the response that we get. That's pretty good. If you want to copy, you can copy it. And here we are having this artifacts feature. So if we just click this and click on this artifacts, this basically gives the rendered view of this code. So that's pretty amazing. And I don't know what to say, because they literally have everything. They even have an upload feature. They have the image generation. They have video generation. They have an inbuilt, space to view our code. Web search is coming soon. So they have a lot going on here. And let's try the upload feature now. So I'm just going with this finance some PDF. Give me the expenses from 2022 and 2019, and these are the content that is present in the PDF. 2022 the expense is 28 and 2019 doesn't even exist. So it's the alignment of this table is kind of jumbled, and let's see what it gives in the output. So we have got the response over here. The expenses for 2022 were $28 million. Yeah, that's spot on, and 2019 are not provided in the given data. And I'm just curious how Alibaba is going to price this Qwen chat, because it has image generation, video generation, web search. You have the normal chat features, upload, and they can't literally do it for free, right? So it's going to be interesting how they price it, and you can just try it out and let me know in the comment, guys. I hope you would have found this video useful. Do check the playlist of my channel. I've done a lot of videos in programming and AI tools. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.